and welcome to Persil Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy in association with Panadol, Pananatural, Centrum, Jif, Nair, Al-Baker, Capricin and Al-Usra. On behalf of Colors TV, I want to wish you all Eid Mubarak. I want to wish you an Eid filled with love, laughter and abundance. आज ईद स्पेशल एपिसोड पर हमारे गेस्ट भी बहुत ही खास हैं बिकॉज ही इज अदाकार कलाकार फ्रॉम सरहद के उस पार। पर इस शो पर हम सरहद की नहीं बरकत की बात करते हैं। सो लेट्स नाउ वेलकम आवर गेस्ट।
Hello everyone, this is me, Saim Ali. I'm an actor, I'm a TV presenter, I'm a fashion model. शुरुआत मेरे करियर की लाहौर से हुई थी, मेरा ताल्लुक लाहौर से है। Yes, I've always wanted to be an actor. I always wanted to be in front of the camera. सभी आर्टिस्टों की तरह I used to look myself into the mirror and I used to speak to myself and I used to say lines and dialogues and my mother used to bully me and here I am. So I'm very happy and I would say a fortunate one who actually followed his dreams.
Well, we are here and our guest has arrived. Eid Mubarak to you.
Eid Mubarak to you, Eid Mubarak to you, Eid Mubarak to everyone who's watching us right now.
Well, you're a man with many hats, like our chef Abs. And best thing I'm sure about your work has made you travel also a lot.
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं से सिलसिला शुरू होता है। हम थोड़ा सा अगर रिवर्स गेयर लें और अगर वो पहली ट्रिप आपके लिए जो बहुत स्पेशल रही और वो अब्रॉड थी, when was that and where was that?
So I was around 13-14 years old and I went to London. I still remember November the 11th. डेट मुझे इसलिए याद है बिकॉज कुछ ऐसी फिल्म थी क्योंकि तब पाकिस्तान में इंडियन फिल्म्स लगती नहीं थी थिएटर में, तो मुझे फिल्म देखनी थी जाके और मुझे लंदन एक्सप्लोर करना था।
वहाँ रिलीज हो गई थी
और वो वहाँ रिलीज हुई थी। तो वो मेरा एक ट्रिप बहुत सारी वजह से स्पेशल रहा। मुझे याद है जो वो यू कॉल देम चोरोस, राइट?
चोरोस।
सो अब मैंने वो गरम वहीं पे बनते हैं, वो जो छोटे-छोटे स्टॉल्स होते हैं। एंड देन विंटर वंडरलैंड, how can you forget Winter Wonderland? And that was my first time I explored Winter Wonderland like a kid, like a 8-year child. So yeah.
Talking about Britain, one more thing that you like about it is British breakfast.
Oh yes, the big breakfast, the typical British. And I remember going to Harrods and Claridge's and Mandarin Oriental to have the typical, especially Claridge's because Claridge's is very ancient, very old.
I worked in that hotel, by the way.
Oh really?
Ooh.
Yeah.
So before we count many more dishes that have had an impact, which you've tried and you've fallen in love with, we want to have inputs of more cities like New York and London.
San Francisco.
You said. Okay.
San Francisco is gorgeous.
Okay.
And I went to Chinatown there.
Oh, okay. So cities we've gone through. More dishes or cuisines that you want to count that make it to the favorite list?
And then of course I cannot forget घर का खाना. You know, I love my जो मामा घर में खाना बनाती हैं, आलू कीमा, she makes the best. Okay. You know, yeah, and of course Istanbul. I cannot forget Istanbul because Istanbul is lamb, they have this amazing dish which I'm actually forgetting. It's all meat basically. So it's a full meat dish which they make, and it is the way they make, the way they present. It's amazing.
Presentation पर तो हमारे chef Abs भी बहुत big है.
Let's see when we move on.
Okay, so now we get to the dessert part. What desserts really are your favorite?
You see, I was in Paris and I went to the oldest La Doure cafe in Paris. So the French toast I had there is insane, and they serve you. They still serve you the way they used to serve back then. And then the pistachio ice cream, and again घर का मम्मा का बना हुआ हलवा और खीर is comparison.
No
Yeah.
comparison.
No comparison.
No comparison,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Cool.
So we have all the inputs.
Yes.
Are you cooking something up there
Yes,
already?
also already, as you can see,
I'm
my
already
mind.
हमने इतने खाने की
We will not give you more time. We'll start
Yeah.
on the food and everything.
Her episode, mein, my mouth starts watering even before, I think, when the details flow. But we'll have to wait. And we'll have to wait and see all these details coming to life on that plate that Chef Abs is going to present. But uske liye thoda sa intezar. See you after a short break. Welcome back to Persil Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy in association with Panadol, Pananatural, Centrum, Nair, Jif, Al-Baker, Vileda and Batiste. And now we're set with all the ingredients, but Chef, you have to take over.
All right, so this is my time now with all information जो आपने दी मुझे, memories, food and everything. Obviously, the London thing that struck me in my mind.
Yeah.
That
I
is
lived
big.
there for 10 years, so I know the breakfast is
Yes.
one of my favorite also. Whenever I go to London, the first thing I do is the English breakfast.
Yeah, of course.
With lots of bacon and hash brown and
Yeah.
baked beans and mushroom, and that toasted bread with the butter. And English muffin.
And croissants.
Yeah, and croissant, yeah. So, and I especially like the, instead of omelette or the fried egg, I like the poached egg. When you break that with
Yes.
the hollandaise sauce and everything.
Yeah.
So, we've taken the inspiration from there, and now obviously you're so desi,
Yeah.
okay? You love
At the same
kebabs.
time.
Yeah, you love kebabs. So, we want to take the desi and the British together and then mix it together, and we want to make a breakfast out of it, which is going to be in a desi,
blend of both, East and West.
East
Brilliant.
and West, yeah. So, but then you're going to have many elements to that one. One, for the eggs, we're going to do the poached egg with hollandaise curry sauce. Okay. At the base of the egg, you're going to have the kachumber guacamole.
Oh.
Okay, with the English muffin.
Okay.
Then on a side, normally we serve bacon. So I'm taking a turkey bacon. I'm going to glaze with maple syrup, little bit of chili, roast in oven, and then serve with the nutmeg pearls. So give you like a spicy aroma to that one, because nutmeg go very well with the sweetness kind of thing.
Nice.
Then we also making the kebab, because obviously you said Istanbul, you love the kebab.
Yeah, of course.
And also the Lahori kebabs famous.
Yes, very
So I'm
famous.
taking the inspiration from the Lahori kebab side. So instead of using chicken, I'm using a lamb to replace the sausage in the breakfast.
Oh.
Okay. So what we're doing then, we're taking the Lahori kebab with all the spices and that replacing with the sausages.
Lovely.
Obviously, the breakfast is not complete without hash brown.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah. So we're taking the hash brown and we're giving the jeera tadka to it. And also for the mushrooms, normally it's roast mushroom with the breakfast. But I'm taking that mushroom and turn into a paratha. So taking the baked beans that goes with the breakfast. So baked beans cooked with the mushroom, stuff in a paratha.
Oh, wow.
So instead of serving in that one, I'm using the paratha for that one. And the last thing that we're doing that, obviously we serve the roast tomatoes. So I'm taking the roast tomato from there and making a chutney out of it, which is just like giving you an iftar platter. Okay, there's a protein there, which is good. Obviously you're fasting now, so you need some protein there. There's a lamb there. There's a poached egg there, which is going to give you a good protein, good energy,
Yes.
and it's good. And it's going to be a whole platter all together. Going to look absolutely beautiful.
Are you already hungry?
I was
am.
about to say that our mouths are already watering.
Watching. We are definitely looking forward to that.
Yes.
But I have a question for you during Ramadan. I'm sure you fast.
Yeah.
And headaches, do you ever experience them?
Yeah,
Because
because
a lot of
I'm-
people in the beginning days do
Yeah.
that.
I'm actually big on coffee. So you see, when you're not having coffee the whole day, of course it gets to you.
Yeah.
And I'm big on coffee. I'm a coffee addict.
It's interesting because it is commonly known during Ramadan, a lot of people do experience headaches and
Yeah.
they're like fasting headaches.
Yes.
You know, when you really experience कि आपके सर के दोनों तरफ बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. And I think majorly a lot of my friends who are fasting is that they always suggest others also to stay hydrated. And sometimes a cup of coffee
Yeah.
when you break the fast definitely helps.
Of course, yes.
But for a quick relief, one can also opt for a Panadol Extra. The ingredients in Panadol Extra with Optizorb relieves pain 3 times more effective than standard paracetamol and works in as little as 10 minutes. And even better, Panadol Extra Advanced does not cause any drowsiness, helps improve alertness for you to continue with your routine and daily activities. That's why it's Panadol Extra for a fast and effective pain relief.
All right, so first thing that we're gonna cook, which is gonna be the Lahori kebab. Okay, so I have a lamb beans here first. I have this pan here which is already hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil here. So I'm going to roast these tomatoes here. Meanwhile, it's roasting. Lamb beans लेते हैं. Next thing is that I'm going to poach the egg. Okay, so I have egg here. I'm just going to take it. Now the trick to the poach the egg, if you are doing it at home, because every time you think, how it comes out round.
Yes.
So I'm going to put this egg here.
Okay.
Strain the excess liquid because the liquid is separated from the actual. So you have egg yolk and egg white which stick together.
Okay.
And then you have rest of the water there. So when you put everything together, it goes everywhere.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
that's-
Yes.
That's why I never
So,
get
and
that.
I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar here.
Chef, I'm already hungry. And
A
now,
little more time because we have one more dish to do it, which is going to be your mushroom and beans paratha.
Paratha.
paratha. Wow,
Yes.
now I'm starving.
Cool. We'll go on
taking
that one.
Yeah.
Let's start the third one. All right. For the paratha mix, I'm making the mushroom and beans mixture. Like we use the baked bean in a breakfast. So now
Yeah.
we're going to turn that into a paratha. Instead of roast mushroom, we're going to add into a stuffing of the paratha. So I'm going to take a little bit of onion, mushrooms, All right, finish with coriander. And this mash is ready. So, हमने आलू को replace किया है beans के साथ. Okay, the mixture is ready. Now we'll roll the paratha. Paratha is ready. Your lamb, we're gonna cook. Poached eggs ready. Okay, so next stage we're gonna make the paratha and then we'll start plating.
Wow.
Yay!
पराठा है तो घी तो
Of course.
होगा ही.
बिना
हम-
घी का पराठा कैसे चले?
Yes.
खुला.
Wow.
खुला घी.
So paratha is cooking. For this paratha, I have used Al Baker fresh chakki atta, which is a #1 in UAE for any paratha that you want to make.
Any particular reason?
Particular reason? Yes, there is a particular reason. That's what I'm telling you. Well, it is 100% whole wheat, has 0% maida, has no artificial additives, and it is also make sure the rotis are softer and tastier.
Nice.
All right, it's time for plating. I've chosen the black plate to resemble the British weather.
And aesthetically very right.
Yes. So it's now sometime rain, sometime sunny, sometime
Yes.
But
cloudy.
it's always cloudy.
Yes, it's always. So resembling that one. So let's start plating first. Let's do the poached egg first. Kachumber guacamole.
My favorite is guacamole.
This is sausages that we made Lahori style earlier. The paratha that we cooked. The hash brown, obviously without that breakfast is not complete. So we're gonna put hash brown. This is cooked with some jeera tadka.
Yeah.
So give the Indian flavor, the desi flavor to it. Okay, this is your first from the nutmeg. Right, before we start, English breakfast है, तो English tea होती है.
अरे
But यहाँ पे हमने कुल्हड़वाड़ी
देसी
देसी
तड़का.
जिंजर टी वाली
क्या
चाय.
बात है,
आप भी
ये तो
लीजिए.
परफेक्ट.
that sunset that's gonna come out. That's nice.
Let me have
A little bit of the egg, yes. सायम ने ना हिंदी में एक शब्द है संयम.
संयम.
The patience.
yeah.
He was holding on to it, but I think
Amazing.
was it worth it?
I know I'm not saying it for the sake of saying it. Trust me.
It's
It's
amazing.
really nice. Yes, yes.
What
Now
was
it's your
next?
turn.
I will definitely taste. You tell me what's next on your list.
ये
Paratha.
पराठा
The
पे थोड़ा
bean
चटनी ले
stuffing
लीजिए.
हाँ,
with
We
this
have
chutney.
This chutney on the paratha.
क्या यादें
Oh.
आपने ताज़ा कर दी सर. No.
Absolutely, don't worry.
We got a little sweetness, little sourness. The mustard is there. Yeah.
I really want to say that poached eggs are amazing by itself, but I think this curry sauce on top,
Yes, yes, yes.
the flavors did the magic.
Yes.
It's next level.
क्या मैं ये लाहौरी कबाब इस चटनी के साथ खा सकता हूँ?
हाँ हाँ जरूर.
आपको पता है डिप जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल. Dip करने लगा. Really?
You gotta try this one.
Okay.
यकीन मानिए जितने लोग हमें देख रहे हैं इस वक्त आप बड़ा मिस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये एक बहुत ही शानदार
और आप सबके हिस्से के लिए एक बाइट मैं लेती हूँ. Don't worry, I'm here.
ओके, अब इसका इफ्तिताह होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेरे हाथ में शायद उतनी सफाई नहीं है.
No worries.
You know, but on this beautiful note, I would love to share one thing that आज पहली दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ है मेरे तकरीबन 10 साल के टेलीविज़न करियर में कि मैं ईद पे इतना लाजवाब breakfast कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks
Thank
to
you.
Colors TV, thanks to all of you guys because this is actually something I will always cherish. कि वैसे भी because this is my first ever show with Colors TV
Yeah.
Nice.
and with you guys. और क्या ही खूबसूरत आगाज़ हुआ है ईद का.
Thank you.
And now
Yes.
चाय की चुस्कियां भी हो गई हैं.
Yeah.
लेकिन देखो यार, ईद कैन नॉट बी ईद जब तक मीठा ना खाया जाए.
ओह, क्या आपने मेरे दिल की बात छीनी.
उसके लिए लेकिन थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. We'll be back after a short break. Welcome back to Purcell Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy. In association with Panadol, Pananatural, Centrum, Nair, Jif, Albaker, Flawless and Haldirams. And
And
ईद पे मीठे की बात इस मुद्दे की बात.
और इनकम्प्लीट अधूरी
course.
है.
नहीं हो सकती.
कोई
Chef
नहीं.
Abs is here, so don't worry.
Of course.
और ईद में कुछ स्पेशल चाहिए. आपने कहा था आप सैन फ्रान गए थे
बिल्कुल.
और वहाँ पे आपने वो पहाड़ ऊपर नीचे
Yeah.
वहाँ पे एक फेमस चीज़ है जिराडेली आइसक्रीम. Have you tried that one?
No, I think I'm gonna try it today.
Okay, yeah, something that I'm going to resemble with the Girardelli ice cream. So, and you said French toast that you love.
Yes, yes, I love.
So we taken the French toast. You also said your mom's gajar halwa and kheer. So I'm going to bring it to this all the elements together, and I'm
Wow.
going to make the one dessert out of it. So I'm going to take this warm French toast. It's going to go inside. So this is like an Ghirardelli has their famous Sunday.
Yeah.
So this is trying to do something out of all your memories and everything.
Yes.
So this is our Sunday. So this is your gajar halwa foam. This is your mom's memory, which is your kheer.
Kheer.
So from the kheer, I made the mousse out of it.
Oh,
so
wow.
it has a sevaya and the kheer, the milk and everything, cook it together and then mold it into a mousse.
Ooh. Go ahead. What are you waiting for? This is waiting for
Yum,
you.
yum, yum. Yes. अब मैं मुरव्वत में नहीं जा रहा हूँ मैं
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
Yes. Because this is
अब आप हेवन में शिफ्ट होना।
this is next level.
Is it गाजर का हलवा?
I swear ये बिल्कुल अदाकारी नहीं थी ये दिल से आया you have to have it.
With a French toast.
No, no, no. Yes. Sir,
Oh.
Thank you.
अभी मेरा बहुत दिल है कि ये जो कैमरे से पीछे जितने लोग हैं उनको मैं एक बाइट खिला सकूं.
Yet again, you created magic,
Yes.
and thank you for that.
Thank you.
And thank you, Saim, for joining us today and taking us also on this journey with you.
My pleasure. It was emotional. And I will definitely cherish this show.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
And
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because of course he is
Created this journey.
yeah.
And इतने सारे inputs को आपने वाकई में फिर से ज़बान के जायके तक ले आए हैं. That's our chef ads. और आज ईद के मौके पर मैं आप सबके लिए कुछ कहना चाहूंगी कि जो लोग मुसलसल गुजरते हैं राहे दिल से, ईद का ये दिन उन्हें मुबारक हो तहे दिल से.
Wow.
Wow.
And before we say bye, we have something special for our guests. हम यूं ही खाली हाथ नहीं जाने देते अपने गेस्ट को, और आज तो
sure.
ईद स्पेशल
Yeah.
है.
क्या बात है ये.
आपको गोल्ड मिल रहा है.
Oh.
So courtesy Nair hair remover cream, this is for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And now it is time to say bye-bye because अगले हफ्ते की तैयारी करनी है. एक नया चैलेंज होगा, एक नई जर्नी होगी. So until we meet again, this is Yachna signing off from Colors Food Trail.